the solution is number of different integers in a string. So you give in a string, and then they contain a character and a digit. So what you need to do is you want to pull all of the digit out, and basically see like how many different integers. So it's going to be unique. So what does the unique mean? You're going to put into the set. So 1, 2, 3 in the set, 3, 4 in the set, 8 into the set, and 3, 4 is already in the set. So even though you add into the set, it still count as what? The repeated, right? So you don't count over um, once again. So it's gonna be 3. There are 3 number that are unique, and then for this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4 are the integers. So it's going to be unique as well, and then it's going to be return 2. And this one, 1 and 1 and 1 are also unique. So again, without any leading 0. So even though this is leading 0, then you just ignore it. So in this case, I'm going to just talk about 2 solutions. First solution is pretty straightforward, like using the algorithm to traverse. The second one is using a regular expression. So I'm going to write down the solution while I'm explaining. So headset string. I'm going to say set equal to new headset. And then this is going to be returned by size, right? Now I have an index for I, everything based on the word.length. And then I will have a string builder to convert the integer to the, convert the string to integer, right? And here we go. So if the current character is digit, right? Then I do the, append into the set, something like this. So if this is digit, I do the algorithm, else I'm going to just increment the index. So there's not, you know, uh, we don't need to focus on the else. We can just focus on the index, it's by index. And then once this is true, when this is digit, I want to take all of the digit, right? So take all of the digit word.length, and the current character is digit. So I need to make sure what is the current digit. It's going to be the represent what word.chart at I. I'm going to put it right here. So what I need to do, I just append the current value word.chart at I, and then I increment I right here. So it will be exactly the same thing at here. So if the index is still in the boundary and is the current index, value is the integer. I mean, it's digit. I append to the string builder, and then once I append to the string builder, I want to remove all of the leading 0. So I'm going to say set add, and then before I remove, so I'm going to say remove leading 0, and then it's take as a SB or string, and then after that, I'm just reset my string builder. I don't need to worry about what I have done in the string builder, right? So remove leading 0, so public string, and then take a string builder. So while the sb.length is greater than 1. So what does that mean? If the string builder is exactly 0, which is what? 0 by itself, right? So if this is just 0 by itself, it's okay. Doesn't matter. But if this is 0, 0, this is pointless. So if the string.length is greater than 1, right? And the current first value is what? It's 0, right? Then I want to what? Delete the first one. Delete the first delete add, right? Delete chart add. Delete the first index. I don't need a leading 0. If this is 0 and it's already more than 1, so which means there's a second character. So I will say return sb.toString. So, cool. So for the time and space, this is space. Worst case gonna be all of n. Time, this is all of n. This is all of n, and this will be all of sorry, this will be all of n. This will be inside this, so total will be all of n, and this is pretty much like constant. So time and space are the same. So this is the first solution. The second solution is going to be using the regular expression, so string. I'm gonna say word I'll replace. Oh, so what should I need to replace? Any character between A to Z, lowercase and also uppercase A to Z, into empty string, and then I split by the space, right? So it's gonna be empty space, and it's split by the space. And I also need to have the set to return the size of my set, which is unique. So for strings. So if the current string is not empty, basically I just want to add. But before I add, I need to take out all of the value, which is considered leading zero, right? So value of the replace all any leading zero. So you can say 0 star into empty. However, this is not considered leading zero. It can be anything in between. If you want to say starting, it's going to be using this symbol. X is represent starting. Starting index is 0, and by how many multiple? It could be 0, it could be 1, it could be 2, 3, 4, right? But it's as starting, right? So I will replace all of the starting 0, leading 0 into the empty, and add into the set. Oh, so it's empty, something like this. Okay. So these two are the space. Worst case all of n. These are the time. Worst case is all of n. So that's the solution. All right, see you.